How to log out your account on PayPal. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just scroll down. You can see the option for logout over here. Click on it. After you click on logout, your account will be instantly logged out from PayPal application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna log out your account on PayPal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.